Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Toyota key fob. You're going to need one of the 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. And then you're also going to need a Phillips head and a small flat tip screwdriver. And the Phillips head I'm using is the 3.0. So on the back portion here, you're going to want to remove this Phillips screw. Go ahead and take that out. Now this back piece, you're going to kind of come out and back. Now you can just remove this battery housing here. So this black piece comes off, and I actually think it's just easier to use your fingernail instead of a screwdriver. Just go ahead and pull that off. Now you have access to your 2016 battery. Pop it out right here with your screwdriver. And your new battery is going to go positive side facing upward. Put that in, replace this back cover, and you can test it at this point. Just go ahead and press this top button, make sure you see your red light there. Put this back in, and this part's kind of tricky. There's a little lip right here. It's kind of hard to see, but that is going to go on here first. So put that on and then push forward, and then replace your screw, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.